AI is being introduced across a range of industries. There are two main types of AI: general-purpose AI, known as foundation models, and specialized models that are built on top of foundation models and further trained with information from specific business domains or individual companies. Foundation models only provide answers based on general knowledge, while specialized models can also respond to domain-specific questions. A specialized model is created by providing a foundation model with additional training on targeted information. However, when a foundation model is updated or replaced, the specialized model developed using it must traditionally be rebuilt from scratch. This process requires large amounts of training data and time, resulting in significant costs. To address this challenge, NTT has developed portable tuning technology, which eliminates the need to rebuild specialized models. Portable tuning uses a technique called a reward model to separate the learning results of the specialized model from the underlying foundation model. By reusing a reward model, learning results can be smoothly transferred from an old foundation model to a new one. This process is known as a learning transfer. The reward model calculates an evaluation value for each output candidate from the foundation model and adjusts the output distribution without modifying the foundation model itself. If the new foundation model has similar characteristics to the one it replaces, the same adjustments can be applied. In this way, the use of a reward model enables effective learning transfer. Traditionally, training costs have increased every time the foundation model has been updated. In contrast, with portable tuning technology, there is no need to retrain the specialized model, allowing the foundation model to be updated at almost no cost. NTT is also developing the AI Constellation, in which AIs engage in discussions, challenge each other, and generate solutions from diverse perspectives. By creating various updated specialized models using portable tuning technology and having them engage in discussions, it becomes possible to derive novel and innovative answers. If you want to make greater use of AI in your business, NTT is here to support you.